Imagine being dragged through the mud by the most powerful legal system in the world, only to emerge victorious, yet still financially and emotionally shattered. That's the harsh reality for those targeted by the Trump Justice Department, even when they win in court. This year, President Trump has openly urged the Department of Justice to go after his perceived adversaries, and the DOJ appears to be following his lead. But here's where it gets controversial. In recent weeks, prosecutors have secured indictments against high-profile figures like former FBI Director Jim Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James. The White House hints that more cases are on the horizon, raising questions about the motivations behind these legal actions. For the accused, the financial toll of fighting these charges is staggering. Veteran defense attorneys estimate costs can range from $1 million to a jaw-dropping $25 million or more, depending on the complexity of the case, the location, and the expertise of the legal team. Lisa Wayne, executive director of the National Association of Criminal Defense Lawyers, puts it bluntly. There's no golden rule for how expensive this can get. Defendants often face impossible choices, draining their savings, mortgaging their homes, or relying on friends and family just to mount a defense. Take Jim Comey, for instance. The former federal prosecutor turning to his ex-trial partner, Patrick Fitzgerald, a legal heavyweight who likely charges over $2,000 an hour. Fitzgerald came out of retirement to help, but even discounted rates can't erase the financial strain. Or consider Democratic Senator Adam Schiff, a longtime Trump critic now under investigation for alleged mortgage fraud. Despite his attorney, Preet Bharara, calling the claims transparently false, Schiff has already set up a legal defense fund to cover mounting bills. And this is the part most people miss. Even if you're acquitted, the damage is done. The emotional toll on individuals and their families is immeasurable. D.C. lawyer Michael Sussman, exonerated after a 2-week trial in 2022, summed it up outside the courthouse. This has been a difficult year for my family and me. His words echo those of Raymond Donovan, Reagan's labor secretary, who famously asked after his own acquittal, "Which office do I go to get my reputation back?" Behind these investigations is Ed Martin, a lawyer with more political experience than courtroom expertise. Martin, who failed to secure Senate confirmation as a U.S. attorney, now leads a weaponization working group targeting Trump's opponents. His approach? If they can be charged, we'll charge them. If not, we'll name them. They should be shamed. This departure from traditional DOJ policy, which avoids publicly condemning those without sufficient evidence, has sparked fierce debate. The White House defends these actions, claiming they're restoring integrity to the justice system. But critics argue it's a politically motivated witch hunt. What do you think? Is this a necessary crackdown on wrongdoing or an abuse of power? Let us know in the comments. This is one conversation you won't want to miss.